Hey there, green thumbs and wellness enthusiasts. Are you looking to bring a bit more nature into your home and health into your life? What if I told you that some plants can do more than just purify your air? They can actually help heal you? That's right. Today we're diving into the world of medicinal plants that you can grow right inside your home. So if you're ready to turn your living space into a natural wellness center, stick around. Aloe vera. Often hailed as the plant of immortality, aloe vera is a powerhouse for skin health. It's perfect for soothing burns, cuts, and other skin irritations. This easy-to-grow plant loves bright, indirect sunlight. Peppermint. Peppermint is more than just a fresh breath catalyst. It's fantastic for digestion and can help relieve symptoms of IBS. It prefers a bit of shade, making it an excellent indoor companion. Lavender. Known for its calming and relaxing properties, lavender can help with anxiety, insomnia, and stress relief. It requires lots of sunlight, so a sunny windowsill is ideal. Chamomile. A gentle herb, chamomile is perfect for calming an upset stomach and promoting a good night's sleep. It thrives under bright, indirect light. Basil. Besides its culinary uses, basil has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It can aid in digestion and relieve stress. Basil loves plenty of sunlight and regular watering. Ginger. Growing ginger indoors can provide you with a fresh supply to help combat nausea, digestive issues, and inflammation. It prefers filtered light and moist, rich soil. Lemon balm. This herb is known for reducing anxiety, promoting sleep, and improving appetite. It enjoys a sunny spot with some afternoon shade. Sage. With antiseptic and antibacterial qualities, sage is great for sore throats and dental health. Needs strong light to thrive indoors. Thyme. Thyme is packed with antioxidants and is a strong antiseptic, making it great for respiratory health. It requires plenty of sunlight. Rosemary. Known for boosting memory and concentration, rosemary also has antimicrobial properties. It loves lots of light and well-drained soil. Parsley. This herb is rich in vitamins and can help with bad breath and digestion. It prefers full sunlight but will tolerate partial shade. Echinacea. Known for boosting the immune system, echinacea can be a bit more challenging to grow indoors but thrives under grow lights. Feverfew, used for centuries to treat headaches, arthritis, and fevers. Feverfew is a dainty plant that likes indirect sunlight. Dandelion. While often considered a weed, dandelion leaves are rich in vitamins and can help with liver function. They prefer a lot of sunlight. Spearmint. Similar to peppermint, spearmint aids digestion and can help relieve symptoms of nausea. It enjoys partial shade and moist soil. Valerian. Known for helping with sleep and anxiety, valerian is a must-have in any medicinal garden. It thrives in cooler temperatures and enjoys being pot-bound in a shady corner. Cilantro. Beyond its culinary uses, cilantro is excellent for detoxifying heavy metals from the body. It loves light but needs to be kept moist, making it a perfect kitchen companion. Garlic. Easy to grow in pots, garlic is a powerhouse for fighting infections and boosting heart health. Just one clove can start a new plant, and it prefers plenty of sunlight. Catnip. Famous for driving cats wild, catnip also helps humans with relaxation and sleep. It grows best in bright conditions and can be harvested multiple times throughout the growing season. Licorice root. Great for soothing sore throats and boosting adrenal function. Licorice root can be a bit challenging, but rewarding to grow indoors with plenty of light and well-drained soil. Creating an indoor garden filled with these medicinal plants not only brings nature indoors, but also empowers you with natural remedies right at your fingertips. Now that you know some of the best medicinal plants to grow indoors, why not start your own healing garden today? If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more green living tips, and share this video with someone who'd love to join you in this green adventure. Remember, each plant has its unique needs, so pay attention to their light and water preferences to ensure they thrive.